Hello and welcome to Goa 365's Story Behind the Story. This is an episode wherein we will be discussing an incident that happened yesterday of a young girl, a young good-looking girl whose body was washed up on Kalangut beach. Now this takes me back to 15-20 years back wherein another body of another young girl was also found on Anjuna beach. So it gave me if you put it in colloquial parlance, yesterday night it gave me a pretty bad trip because we had covered that thing very badly, and it was the same initial. What happened was the same, that was suicide, UD, unnatural death. This also is a suicide. So we don't know. Maybe it's the truth. Maybe it's not. So with me here in the studio, in our panel on this debate are people who are very much involved. One of them was there at that time. I think probably two of them were there at that time, the senior people. One was not. So I would like to introduce our panel first. First is women's activist Tara Kerkar from Savera. Tara, welcome to our show. Next is an advocate, young upcoming advocate, Siola Vaz from Margaon. Dudur, welcome to our show.
Thank you.
And third is a very senior politician who has seen various people, various chief ministers, various regimes, and is today holding a senior post in the Congress party. My good friend, Rajan Dimelo. Rajan, welcome to our show. Before I start, I would want, Tara was there at that time. She had, I think at Savera, she had a part in that, she was a part of the government or some women's commission at the time during the Scarlet case. Tara?
Yeah.
So I want to start with Tara. She could bring us up to date from there, or whether there were anything which you found similar, or whether even if it is suicide, proper investigation, and talking about the general woman safety, law and order in this small state of us. Tara, please.
सगळ्यान पयलीं हांव लोकांक रिक्वेस्ट करतलें की तेचो फोटो पळय आसा आज सुद्दां तो व्हायरल जाता, हें करचें न्ही. दुसरी गजाल आसा, हांव जेन्ना वुमन कमिशनान आसलेलें 2002 to 2003 पर्यंत, त्या काळान न्ही म्हणजे स्कायलेटाची एक केस जाल्ली. शी इज फ्रॉम UK. मागीर तेजी आवय हांगा नासलेली, पण तेजी बॉडी तशीच हांगा हणजुना बिचार मेळिल्ली. तेज्या उपरांत कितें जालें की कांयच पुलिसांनी सांगलें ना, तेणें पिवन गेले आनी ते थंय बुडोवन मेले म्हणून. त्या वेळार रिपोर्टरांनी तो इतलो आवाज काडलो, नवीन टायमान जावं नवप्रभान जावं, ह्या ज्या लोकांनी आवाज काडलो, आनी त्या आवाजाचेर हळूहळू तेजी आवय येतकूच न्ही तेंची MBC पळय आसा त्यांच्यांनी बी फोर्स दिल्या कारणान की हे स्कायलेटाचो खून जालो अशें म्हणून हें केलें. आतां ही गजाल सुद्दां आसले तशेंच जाल्ले भशेन सेम स्टोरी कशी दिसता. पण एखादी चेडूं जर समज घरातल्या लोकांचेर रागार आसा, जावं बॉयफ्रेंडाचे कडेन रागार आसा, जावं कोणाचें कितें हें आसा, जाल्यार ते कपडे काडून जीव दिवचे ना. हो लोकांचो सगळ्यान पयलीं हो प्रश्न आसा की कित्याक लागून जीव दिता, फक्त नॅकेड जावन जीव दिवपाच कित्याक. आमी पळयता त्या ब्रिजाचेर साडये सकट बायलां जीव दिवता, आनी ते साडयेच्या हितून ती उरता आनी मागीर ती बोवाळ मारता वाचय वाचय म्हणून. म्हणजे कोण कपडे काडून जीव दिवची ना. हो जो हे जे पळय जीव आतां तिणी दिला अशें म्हणून जर मॅडिकल हें मेळटा जाल्यार हांव म्हणटा हो मॅडिकल सामको रॉंग आसा. कितें आसा, एका डॉक्टरान ताका हें घेतला म्हणजे बॉडी पोस्टमॉर्टम केला. हांव कितें म्हणटा, अशी जेन्ना बॉडी लेडिसांची, चेडवांची जावं कोणाची मेळटा, तुमी कित्याक ते कमिशन हें करिना, म्हणजे एक दोगा तिगा जाणांक डॉक्टराक हें करून कित्याक तेजें हें करिना, पॅनल करपाक जाय. दुसरी गजाल तुमकां खबर आसा की आमचो हळडोणाचो तो भुरगो आसलेलो, फुटबॉल खेळटालो तो, तेजी बॉडी पळय बाय मिस्टेक व्हरून जळयली आनी ते तशें येता. म्हणजे थंय जी हलगर्जीपणां मॅडिकलान जाता हें बरोबर न्ही. थंय कॅरूच ना, तांकां कितें आसा, चिल्ले ताळ्ळे दिले वाले ओके. आनी हेका कोणाचो दबाव आसा काय डॉक्टरांक, असोय प्रश्न निर्माण जाता. मागीर कित्याक ताका फक्त तेंच म्हणटा, कितेंच मेळना, पूण डॉक्टरांक ती इतलें दिसून येयलें ना की बाबा हे नॅकेड कित्याक जीव दिताले, कित्याक जीव दिताले. आज लोकांक कळटा आनी डॉक्टराक कळना. डॉक्टरांक तें खरें म्हणलें जाल्यार सगळें वेवस्थीत पळोवपाक जाय आसलें. पळय ना कित्याक वचून दामून दवरला काय, पॉलिटिकली तेतून हे जाला जाय अशें म्हणून विचारूंक जाता.
Okay, we'll go into details. Tara माचे आनी माचे details are not here now. Doctor, legally, what Tara is saying makes sense, especially in these cases like this panel of autopsy, and just give us a little bit of a legal background first, and then as a woman and as generally as an activist also, you've been in that. So could you give us your this on this?
Yeah. Now, in an autopsy, in this particular autopsy, they are saying it is death by drowning.
Yes, yes.
So, we are okay with death by drowning. We are comfortable with that scenario. Death by drowning has occurred. But the autopsy, of course, we have to peruse it also. The autopsy also talks about there being no injuries on the body or there being no bruises as such on the body. Now, as it is, and also it rules out sexual assault. So I remember I heard the SP yesterday saying that because the autopsy has come out with all this, that they are ruling out violence, they are ruling out assault, and they are ruling out murder
One
and
sec-
sexual.
Let me just interrupt. Now, see, they are not saying no sexual assault. As far as maybe I'm wrong. What they're saying is no sexual activity.
I believe they said sexual assault.
Okay, I thought it
Yeah.
was activity. This is what I was given to understand. Maybe whatever, yeah, technicality.
Yeah. So this is what they have concluded. But the post-mortem is only and only a scientific document, okay, having legal tenacity, but it's a scientific document. What you make out of it is up to the police inspector or the SP or the police force. So to jump to the suicide theory, of course, they are taking two things. They are taking the post-mortem and they are taking the statements which are on record. And then they are saying it is suicide. So I would say this is a suicide theory which they are jumping to, because as Madam Tara herself has also brought out the opinions of the people, it is a fact, we have seen the pictures, it is a fact that the body is semi-nude, so unfortunately, and my heart goes out also to the family and the victim. But that being semi-nude, it is the fact is that the clothes have come off somehow. Now this all does not have to come into the post-mortem, but death by drowning does not rule out either there being rape or there being murder. If you even want to rule out rape, because let us say there are certain standards for that, yeah, there are. Even then the judgments are there on record which say that absence of semen, absence of injury does not rule out rape.
Absolutely, absolutely.
Never mind, we rule out rape, let us say, because there is very difficult, it's very difficult to assess now. So why murder is being ruled out? That cannot be ruled out on the basis of this post-mortem.
But why should it be ruled? My issue, now I'll bring Trajan in on this, but my issue is that before any investigation is being done, how you rule things out,
Yeah.
on what basis? See, what is the point of a police inspector is not a clairvoyant, he is not a, what do you say, I don't know, कितें म्हणटा ते,
पयलींच सगळें सांगूंक शकता
oh,
देव कसो.
you have to investigate. No?
Yes.
Yeah,
So
now
to
they are having an
investigate-
काय
inquest.
करनासतना.
An
What is an
inquest.
inquest? You have an inquest on the cop
Yeah.
who has given the statement,
Yeah,
not on
and,
the.
and an inquest is fact finding,
Yes.
whereas an investigation is evidence finding.
Yeah,
So they are not finding evidence anymore in
No,
this
but
case.
forget about this. Investigation or investigation, but how can police officials, through sources, through official, say that no, it is suicide? How? My point is, how can you do it, especially when the issues of these sexual assaults, robberies, murders are happening almost on a daily basis
No,
in,
yes.
in our state? Trajan, I would like your take on this. Trajan.
See, when you and I heard this yesterday, it was becoming very clear that the SP was trying to overjump or overshoot on the incident of the crime. He was trying to, according to me, trying to people of by saying that there was no such thing. But by doing so, he has exposed his immaturity, because he, by saying so, as rightly the questions are now being raised by you, Tara and everybody. How could you jump to a conclusion when the investigation is in progress? Why disclose these facts? Why do you come to a conclusion to say that this is ruled out and that is ruled out? Yes, that's the reason. But you just try to push up the whole thing. And let me tell you that even the BJP was informed about this debate. They are very not. Yes, that they are not in a position to defend the law and order situation of this. It is so such a bad shape. The fear psychosis that is there, let the crime take place. You see the chief minister saying congratulating them for cracking the case. Agreed, they should be congratulated.
Yeah.
But the basic job of the police is not to crack, but to, if you cannot prevent first allowing it, and then you are only carrying the trophy. How does it work?
Now, Siola, what Trajani is saying makes sense. Is this fear psychosis which is being created because of the... Why is it being created? Because most of the crimes that are happening are cracked. Then why are people not trusting the government? Why are people not trusting? Now you are educated, upper middle class. People like us even are very worried, even though the pull is there, and now you are a girl, now I am a parent, I have a daughter. Scared, the people are scared basically. Why is there no trust in the police, in the authorities, according to you, on a human level?
On a human level, and I'll tell you on with experience also,
Okay.
that we are not fearing the crime anymore. We are fearing the reaction.
Okay, like...
We are not fearing actually getting attacked by somebody. At least not me, but I do fear that if I am out at I'm a working person, so I come very late and all that. So if I am out and I'm alone in my car and something untoward should happen, I'm not worried about actually myself. What I'm worried about is having to go to the cop, and then them asking my parents questions and my family questions and my neighbors questions. That is what I'm worried about. Not because they are making an investigation, but because of the bias and because of the disgust that they have for the victim. They have disgust. Very recently I met a very senior officer in Margao, and I was in his cabin. He's a police officer, very senior. And the way he spoke about how women will just be erratic. He was suggesting women will just be erratic, they will just say anything. That itself, and then he apologized. He said, no, but I don't mean all women. No, but what it tells me, the story is that there is distrust. The authorities distrust the victim, whoever the victim is. They distrust the victim, so the victim also has no relationship with the authority today. And if you're going to tell me that we are in charge of our own safety, actually we have bestowed that trust onto you.
Then you get paid a salary for it.
We have given you everything. We have said, take this, given you mandate also, do it for us. We've said that, and that is the benefit of being citizen of India. Now when I have given you everything, you're telling me I'm only responsible for my own safety. Well, if that is the case, then I'm also responsible for law and order, and maybe I should take it in my hands. Isn't that the
Yes.
exact logic in what they are saying today? That is why the trust is dead.
Tara, कितें म्हणटा?
कितें आसा खबर आहा, ट्रस्ट ना म्हणजे गव्हर्मेंटाचेर ना पयली, कित्याक आमचो चीफ मिनिस्टर जो आसा, आज एक तेजी स्पीच आसता, दुसरे दिसा तेजी दुसरी जाता. गव्हर्मेंट पुलीस स्टेशनार जर तूं वयता आतां तेणें सांगता त्या प्रमाणे पुलीस स्टेशनार वयता, तूं हरशी विटनेस आसता, तुकाच अर्दो त्रास करतात ते. चड त्रास तुका करतात. तूं थंय कित्याक गेल्लो, तुका हें कित्याक जाय आसलें, तुका तें कित्याक जाय आसलें, अशें करून पब्लिकाक त्रास करता. आनी लोकांक तेका लागून ह्या पुलिसांचेरूय विस्वास गेल्लो आसा आनी गव्हर्मेंटाचेरूय विस्वास गेल्लो आसा. कांय जायना हेतून हेका लागून. आनी आतां 1.5 म्हयन्या भितर ह्यो केशी इतल्यो वाडल्यो, 1.5-2 म्हयन्यान जर इतल्यो केशी वाडटा जाल्यार कोण दवरतलो विस्वास? कायदो आसा तो सामको बोलतोच वेगळो आसा.
आणि आता ते स्टेटमेंट जे दिल्ले आमचे सीएमान, ताच्या लागून entire Goa was discussing only one issue.
What statement? About the parents?
About the parents' responsibility.
Yeah.
Okay, no, fine. We concede that. See, all parents
How
are responsible.
can you concede that?
No, not that
Right?
way. All parents are responsible only. There's no
Of course.
parent who is not giving, who is giving permission readily. Okay, let us know that Goan culture is like that only. We are strict. But conservative. But once it has happened, now sensitivity should prevail. Fine, whatever, sensitivity did not prevail. He made that statement. See the repercussion that even 1 week later, even 2 weeks later, we are talking about a parental issue at times rather than talking about the real issue.
Yeah.
Rape is not a parental issue.
Absolutely.
And that is the power of leadership.
Yeah.
Trajan?
One thing the reason that the crime is increasing and the criminals are not worried about the consequences is also because of tremendous faulty judicial system. And the judicial system is so pathetic that it keeps on, there is no fast track courts, for this sensitive issue. There is nobody, no judiciary is prepared to take up that. They just keep on adjourning this sensitive issues, and the rapists and murderers are going to be. And then what do you expect? It's right from the whole system requires a tremendous revamping. That I cannot forward that there should be such a system. The women, as we have said just now, there is a psychosis here of psychosis. That will my daughter after sunset, where has she reached? The panic starts creeping in. Why is that? Because the failure of a system
That's true.
give you the confidence that every citizen is secure in the state. That confidence is total. There is no question of saying law and order has collapsed. There is no law and order.
Yeah, okay, that's another point also. Law and I agree with you, but the issue also is that even many times, like, kids are much braver than parents. Even if the kids go out, the parent can't sleep.
This is happening because the integrity of the law enforcing machinery is totally shattered. Nobody has faith. Nobody knows. Without any favor of fear. How do you expect people to have confidence? The confidence building is absolutely at the doorstep of this government, and it has failed. Don't tell me that it is collapsed. It does not exist.
But this seems to be endemic. It's not only in Goa. Like, you see this, that Dalit girls, see in Delhi, see what exactly is happening. And the police can keep activists in jail for years. But the people are actually...
आता बेळगाव 4-5 दीस पयलीं जाले 3.5 वर्साची चेडवाक रेप जालो खंय जायना आता व्हडली चेडवां आसा ती आवय बापायक खबर नासतना भायर वयता म्हणटा तेजेर आवय बापायनी लक्ष दवरचें म्हणटा पण ह्या ल्हान ल्हान भुरग्यांचें कितें आता हैदराबाद जाले पळय न्ही तशें करपाक जाय आसा एक्युजांक म्हणजे धांवन गेले म्हणून गुळी मारपाची त्या शिवाय सुद्दां ना जाल्यार हे रेपीस आसा पळय तांकां जेलींनी वेगळे कडेन दवरपाक जाय आनी हांकां सोडपाची जायना तेंचे रेप केस हे बी जाल्या उपरांत तांकां सोडटात मर्डर उरले जाल्यार 3-2 लागले जाल्यार ते उरले ना जाल्यार ते रेप म्हणून तांकां एक थोड्या 9 वर्सांनी 8 वर्सांनी तेंचेच बेल जाता सुट्टा ते असल्यांक खरें म्हणजे एकदां रेप जाले ते मरसर तांकां थंयच उरोंक जाय तेंच्यांनी कांय ना तेंच्या फॅमिलीक बिमिलीक कोणाक पळोवंक दिवंक जायना सगळ्यांक हो पनिशमेंट जावंक जाय म्हण तुका अशें दिसोंक जाय तांकां की अरे बाबा हें न्ही कितें आसा काय म्हणून जेवण सुद्दां दितना तांकां सगळ्यांनी मागीर ह्युमन बिंग आसा ते येता मदीं थंयसर आनी तांकां लागून तशें जाता कोर्टान तांकां एडवोकेट फ्री दिवचें पडटा कोर्ट तांकां पोसचें पडटा तांकां 2 थापटां मारूंक जायना म्हणटा हें अशें करतकूच हें पळयतकूच आवय बापायचे काळी सगळे पिनलेले आसा आनी ह्या एक्युजांक कांयच करचें ना म्हणून कायदो आसा कांयच करचें ना म्हणून ह्युमन बिंग येता हें कितें असो हो कायदो आमचो सगळे नाका जाल्ले असल्या कारणान हे असले रेपीस दिसान दीस वाडत गेले 1.5 म्हयन्या भितर तुमी चिता 5-6 कडे केशी कितें म्हणपाचें आनी गोंय आमचें येदेशें आनी ह्या येदेशा गोंयान आमकां कितें दिसता की आमी अरे काय न्हू सगळ्या वाटेन भुरग्यांक कितली म्हणून घरान दवरता तूं
यू कांट कीप इट इज इम्पॉसिबल
कशें म्हणून पळयतले सरकाराचेर आमी दोश दिता हांव सरकाराक दोश दिता की कायदो आसा तो सुरक्षीत ना तुमकां जाय तसो कायदो करता आज ते लोक कायदो वेवस्थीत करिना कित्याक MLA MP कोण तो सरपंच जिल्हा पंचायत सगळे रेपीस कितले केशी आहा तांच्यो दे आर ऑल्सो
Well, I want to bring you on to this. Now Tara has shifted from the topic a little bit. But I don't know, again I bring in, why is this the fear of the law? See, if there was fear, log pulisank भितालो जाल्यार it would not have happened. Once upon a time, I remember younger days and all, if any of these juveniles and all were caught, they were given a good whacking that 80% of them would give up all this BS. But today, nobody seems to care. Nobody seems to care. Nobody seems to be, worried, scared of the police, scared of anything. Why? Why is this such sort of a thing permeating? Is it because the politicians themselves are supporting people who are doing a bad job, or many of them have got some connection with the politicians? Even now, this thing in this National issue, these are going on that some of the people are involved with some politicians' relatives.
No,
yeah. So why?
No, you are in fact you are sort of on point with this. In all things in Goa, because I have had experience outside Goa also, so I can make a comparison and say, in all things in Goa, there is political interference. It is coming from both ways. Either the politician herself or himself interferes, or the people expect that there should be some kind of political interference. So it is a dual sword. I mean, sorry, double-edged sword kind of. Also, we are not looking at crime as a pattern. As she said also, once they are not incarcerated, then they are emboldened.
Back, yes.
There is, it is but obvious.
Simple,
In fact,
yeah.
they are hardened also once they go to prison and come back. So what happens is, you see the people in power and the authorities saying that, no, that was one incident. Such as Zaid Zaina, it was one incident on one beach. Then another time they said that was a different incident. It was involving it was on the border of Goa. That was another incident. That is some outsiders. So everywhere they try to pinpoint
Make
some
it separate.
some separations, and they say they're isolated instances. But in fact, when you look at the NCRB data, you see we might be thinking if there is a rise. Maybe in the concentration today it appears to be a rise. But in fact, since 2017 at least, it is steady. Rapes in Goa are steady. That is even worse, because it means that we know that there are 300 cases or whatever, and we are
They are not
expecting
bothered.
that it is going to be the same and again, and it's cool.
This is a very valid point actually. There are
Steady rape cases.
केसी देवंग ना
वाढत असं.
and these are reported.
Yes.
The ones that
तेच
are
सांगता नी,
unreported,
1.5
you
महिन्यात
know.
जर 5
Another reported.
केशी मेळटा उरले की 1.5 महिनो फक्त 1.5 महिनो हा 1.5 महिन्या भितर 5 केशी मेळटा म्हणजे केशी तुमकां वाटता आता फुडें फुडें न्ही एका दिसाक 5 मेळटल्यो मागीर कितें म्हणजे तुमचो कायदो कितें आसा तोच तुमचो सारको ना पुलिसांक अजिबात लोक भियेना पुलिसांचे
That
पुलीस
is my
पार्टी
point. अजिबात
पार्टी
भियेना. That we have
पार्टी
seen. तू कालांगूट I don't know if
Because there is
any
a
of
nexus.
I don't know if 3/4 of, I keep on saying, I don't know if 3/4 of Goa has been on the Goan coastal belt. I don't know if they've ever reached there. I don't know if the politicians have reached on the Goan coastal belt. What happens on the coastal belt, nobody knows. It is a completely different country. It's a different country. It's not a different state.
Because when you say things like isolated spots, all spots in Goa are
Isolated.
isolated and secluded after 8 and 9 p.m.
Correct.
But these rapes are not happening in those spots. They're happening in certain
Certain
spots.
spots.
So you know this.
People are keeping a track
you know
on
this.
what's happening.
Instead of profiling the possible accused,
Black spots.
you have
And
to
the
you have to profile the whole population. So you say, okay, who are the rapists mostly? They seem to be male. They seem to be this age group. They seem to be of this ethnicity. Whatever you take, you don't even worry about caste and religion and all those things. When profiling is there, you take everything into consideration. Instead of that, everybody here seems to be profiling the victims. The victims are the kind of girls who are of certain age,
Nonsense.
of certain,
Absolutely.
they wear certain clothes, they move out at certain time. So you're profiling the victim. How does that get you
Sadhas.
anywhere?
Violence of the doshi.
Get you anywhere means
can't
it's the
solve a crime.
stupidest thing that can possibly happen.
can't solve a crime by
Anywhere.
profiling a victim.
Not- and also what I'm saying is that see, they know these places, they know the beaches or they know isolated spots. See, kids will be kids. They are going to go however much anybody tells, they are going to go. And not if these people are keeping a track on these black spots like beaches and all, what are the beat cops doing? What are the beat
ते
cops doing?
बसतात
The beat
कोणीतरी
cops are
बार्रान
supposed to be
वचून
sitting,
सगळे.
they are supposed to be checking out these
no,
black
no,
spots.
no, तांकां काय पडोंक ना एक कोणेतरी दिले सॉफ्ट ड्रिंक म्हणले तो रावतात थंयसर तांकां पडूनच वचूंक ना.
Garbage black spots are there. Why is these notorious black spots not being handled by the cops?
Other
I don't
player-
know. I keep on repeating this. I don't know about you. You're a lawyer. Now you're an activist. There are supposed to be beat cops in every area. How many times has the beat cop contacted you?
गाडयो
No idea.
एक्स्ट्रा घेऊन दिल्ली असा
No,
तरी
only-
सुद्धा त्यांचे हे ना रिपोर्ट सारखो
They
पडना.
nobody has contacted me.
Yes.
Still,
Sometimes they patrol, but beat cops are
Patrolling, no,
not
they are
there.
supposed to have community
And also-
meetings,
Yes.
community any
And
what.
there are those, as you said, black spots are there where you can see cigarette packets and some alcohol bottles perpetually over
Perpetually.
there.
सगळ्याकडे
म्हळ्यार तुका कळले की थंय कितें तरी अँटी सोशल एलिमेंट्स
जाता.
बसतात.
No, that's not my point.
Yeah.
My point is there are places where kids go and sit.
Yes.
Couples, 2,
Yeah.
3.
म्हणजे बसपाचेत न्हू
see,
खंय?
suppose, no, correct, बसपाचे. Now, my point is that if these people, these elements keep a track, why can't the cops keep a track?
Yes.
Arre?
Because there is disinterest.
Yeah, no, I don't know what they are, whether they get
Job-
bribed by these people who do all this, or they are involved in cases like this, like that government servant, or there has to be some ulterior motive, and for that, or basic inefficiency and you're useless. Then what are the politicians doing? Because everybody knows where the kids go. They go for a walk, they'll sit, everybody
तू
knows.
पळयला पुलीस स्टेशनार पुलीस कमी आसा आणि ह्या मिनिस्टरच्या घरा कडेन पुलीस चड आसा खंय आसा
Police go and Huba. It is among the highest in the
आसा ना
state.
न्हू ड्युटीर आसना दिश्टी पडना कितें करता खबर आसा हेंकां जाय तसले भुरगे घेता न्हू पण ते ड्युटी करिना अरे हांव MLAचो मनीस हांव मिनिस्टराचो मनीस अशें करता आनी ते ड्युटी करना ते चल्ले आपल्याक जाय तेन्ना खरें म्हणून जाल्यार जाका खरेंच काम करपाची इच्छा आसा न्हू ताका मेळना कितले तरी भुरगे आमी पळयल्या होमगार्डान BA जाल्ले भुरगे होमगार्डान आसा जॉब मेळना म्हणून ते भुरगे थंय होमगार्ड सांग म्हाका
Yes.
हा चिंतूंक येता म्हणजे ताका खरीच काम करपाची इच्छा आसा म्हणून तो थंय पावलो न्ही हांव कितें म्हणटा जांकां काम करपाचें आसा तांकां तरी तुमी काम करूंक दिना हे जे खाची न्ही हें आसा ट्रॅक करपाक तुमकां भोंवपाक जाय हेंय तुमकां कळना अरे फायदो कितें मातशें फायदो कितें तुमचो पयलीं न्ही एक आसलेलें अशें की पुलीस स्टेशनार न्ही कोणाक वचपाक म्हणजे अशें पुलीस स्टेशन नाका गो बाय आमी येयना अशें जातालें एक भिरांत आसली मनशां पुलीस ड्रेसान सुद्दां गेले न्ही आमी ल्हान आसतना पळयताले पुलीस ड्रेसान आई आमकां सांगताली हो पळय पुलीस वयता जे सडसडीत मागीर तुका नाल्यार दिता ताका आमी ते बेगीन त्या पुलिसाच्या भंयान तो पुलीस आमकां कितें करतलो म्हणून पण एक आमच्या फॅमिलीन आमकां भंय घातलेलो की हो पुलीस व्हरून कितें तरी म्हाका मारतलो पडयतलो नाल्यार जेल कितें असलो एक भंय आसलेलो आतां तसलें कांय उरोंक ना कितें कायदो आसा तो आपल्याक जाय तसो आसा कोण ना तो त्या कायद्याचें हें ना आज रेप करता एक म्हयन्या भितर ताका बेल मेळटा कितें फायदो
आनी एक गोष्ट आसा that if you see IPC, it is about 200 pages. Okay, IPC has everything. What is the law? What is not the law? What is allowed, not allowed, and what is the punishment? IPC is the law. After that, you have procedure and evidence. That is 300 pages. So you're stuck. This can happen only in Parliament where you can change it.
करूंक जाता तेंच्यांनी
That's the thing. That's the thing.
ते करना.
Thanks. Now we've had a interesting discussion. One thing which came up is that the fear of the law is not there, and that's why probably these things are happening. And also, scientific investigation, scientific policing is the need of the hour. Now
Absolutely.
we in India claim to be that we are going to be a developed nation. We are the next superpower. We claim lot of claims are there. 5 trillion economy. One thing which is most important in any developed economy, any developed country, is the rule of law. Now, maybe this is my personal opinion. I don't know how many of the panelists or how many of the people share this, but I do not think that the rule of law is happening in this state or even in this country. The law is not the same for everybody. I don't know. Maybe I'm wrong. I would love to be wrong on this point, but I don't feel I am. And what is happening in these so many days is basically impunity. It is the people who are the people who are law-abiding citizens, who follow all the rules, have to be scared of the police, have to be scared of the authorities. While these lumpen elements just don't care because they know that they can handle. And with people like our politicians saying that they are going to illegalities are going to be condoned and this is going to be condoned. In fact, one of our ministers has said, no, why you have to increase the law for, why you have to increase the fines for helmet? Maybe by mistake he forgot the helmet. That means basically he's encouraging lawlessness. Anyway, thanks Tara, thanks Yola, thanks Trajan.
Welcome.
Thank you very much and keep watching Goa 365.